Hello students and parents. We had a wonderful season this year, and I'm sending you this video because I'm really excited about a brand new Game of Apps program next year, where students will be entering Apple's Swift Student Challenge. This is a part of Apple's annual WWDC, or Worldwide Developers Conference, where thousands of developers learn about the latest Apple technologies and have a chance to meet and talk with Apple's developers. Students aged 13 years and up are invited by Apple to enter the challenge, and Apple will choose the winners based on your technical accomplishment, creativity of the idea, and the content of your written response. A big focus of the new Level 3 program is to prepare you to enter this challenge. To do this, we will learn Swift UI fundamentals, laying out views, fetching server data, using device capabilities such as motion sensors and multi-touch gestures, using the camera to capture photos, and machine learning. We will help you come up with an app idea. You will then create and submit this to Apple's Swift Student Challenge. Past winners have won Apple-branded clothing and swag, AirPod Pros, a 1-year free membership to Apple's developer program, and a chance to attend WWDC. I hope you're able to join us next season for the Game of Apps Swift Student Challenge program. I'm really excited and looking forward to working with you again next year. Please let me know if you have any questions or thoughts. See you soon.